Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and another unboxing. Today's unboxing is the Zoella Treasure Me gift collection. I got this around Christmas time, and as I record this now it's currently on offer at Superdrug for $9.99, so if you want a bargain then I highly recommend getting this. It comes in a really stunning box which I am definitely going to keep to store things in. It's got the lid which you can see, and it's this like black and white pattern, and then the bottom of the box is this gorgeous copper rose gold type colour, and it's quite a big box as well. So I'm going to unbox the box and show you what's inside. I've not even been inside the box yet, but obviously the label shows me what's in it, but I will go through it with you. Inside the box is this like pink colour and it says Zoella Beauty at the top, and the box is a lot bigger than it needs to be, but I guess this is on purpose so you get a decent sized box to store things in. You can probably store your beauty items in it, or bath bombs, or things that normally get in the way. But I think this would be good for bath bombs or products that you're not currently using but you've got to one side ready to use. I think that's probably what I'm going to use it for anyway. I'm going to take everything out the bottom of the box and put it in the lid. As you can see, everything is wrapped up in tissue paper except for this. I always forget what these are called, but you're probably watching this and probably fully aware of what it's called. But as you can see, it's a gorgeous cream colour with this pink on it. I've never seen a multi-tonal one before, and of course the ribbon does say Zoella on it. I'm going to be using that. I actually do need a new one, so I don't know what to go for first. Seeing as this is the only product in this one and all the others have got two by the looks of it, I will open this one first. It's actually a really good quality tissue paper as well. Oh, I like the quality of this. This is a really nice quality. It is Snow Smooth Body Butter. I like the name of that. It comes in this gorgeous white plastic tub, and it's got the rose gold details, of course, because who doesn't like rose gold? Oh, see, I'm going to have to open that now. I hope it doesn't squirt everywhere like yogurts do. That's quite tough to get off. It just looks like a really thick cream. It's quite a thick cream and it feels like silicone-y. Smells nice. Not the most amazing smell, but it smells nice. This rich body butter over clean skin until fully absorbed. Snow lovely. Right, the next one. Oh, this has only got one item in as well. Big item. And it is Snow Scoop, which is bubble bath. I love baths. I don't get to have them as often as I'd like, so I'm looking forward to trying this. It's gorgeous, gorgeous packaging. I like the design of this. It's very nice. It says, treat yourself to a scoop of this beautiful scented bubble bath enriched with extracts of softening peony, brightening winter cranberry and soothing mint. Scoop up a handful and swirl it under warm running water. Lie back and relax. I hope it's open inside. Oh, I'm not gonna open this, but I can smell it. It smells not quite the same as the body butter, but kind of similar from what I can smell. Probably smells better if I open it, but I'm not opening everything. Then we're on to this one, and there's definitely two items in here by the looks of it. Ooh. Actually, three different items in here. So the first item is Snow Polished Body Polish, and it comes in this, like the body butter, it's got the white with the trees, I'm guessing the trees or arrows in pink, and then obviously the rose gold copper colour. It says body polish, discover skin that glistens, enriched with soothing peony, brightening winter cranberry and soothing mint. So it's all going to smell the same. The next item in the box is 2 packets of the bath milk powder, splash of milk. I actually have a box of this here, which you'll see if you've watched my what I got for Christmas 2017 video, because I got that and I got the Brew Me a Bath. It was a gift set, so they came together. So I'm happy that I've got another 2 sachets of the splash of milk. Even though I've not tried it yet, I have heard good things about it. The next item is the Winter Wonder hand cream. Don't you just love the name of that, like Winter Wonder Hand? I've actually got a small version of this already. It would appear I got a lot of Zoella this year, because I got this, which again you can see if you've watched my what I got for Christmas video, and inside it's got the cutest little one, which is going to go in my bag. So that's that, and then the final item, or items, I'm going to unwrap again. First item is Snow Silky body lotion. Again, packaging is actually not identical, because this matches the lid design, as you can see, which is a little bit strange because I would have thought it would match the rest of the product. So that's a little bit disappointing, to be honest, because I would have thought it would all be matching. And looking at the final item again, it doesn't match the rest, and it kind of goes with the box, but I would have thought there would be continuity with the gift set, but surprisingly there isn't. So this is Snow Fresh body wash. It says this body wash is enriched with softening peony, brightening winter cranberry and soothing mint. Simply massage into wet skin and watch those snowy bubbles appear. Shake well. Let's have a little sniff of this. Out of all the products, the hand cream does smell the best, but it's not the most amazing scent. It's nice, but it isn't something that stands out. But I think for $9.99 that is an absolute bargain. I think it's overpriced at the full price, and I do feel sorry for all the parents that had to buy it for younger children, because Zoella isn't an established brand. She's just, I don't know, she's a YouTuber that puts her name to products. The products aren't amazing, but they are good, because I do have quite a few of them. And I do like some of the products. Her products are better than Tanya Burr's, even though Tanya Burr's latest makeup collection, the Selfie collection, is amazing. I have the mascara and the brow product, and I've repeat bought both of them because they are good. But the rest of Tanya's stuff is hit and miss, whereas this is a bit more high quality, but I do think it is overpriced, and she does have a say in the pricing regardless of what she says, because what they'll do is they'll make an offer to her and they'll say, you will make this amount of money if we put out this quality of product, and we can market it at this price and you will get the bigger profit. Or they'll say to her, we can market it at a lower price point and you will get less profit. So basically she's all about profit, so she's like, no, I want to put out an okay product that people won't be too unhappy with, and they will like some of the products and won't like some of the products, and I will make a bigger profit. $9.99, yeah. I think £20 for this gift set would be a fair price because of the amount of products you get, and you know, the ones that I've tried have been good. There has been a couple of hit and miss products, but I can't speak for these personally other than the hand cream, which I already have a small one of, and it's quite nice, but it isn't amazing. But yeah, if you like Zoella's products or you've never tried them and you want to try them, this is $9.99 in Superdrug right now, and some of the other stuff from the Christmas range is also still on offer if you want to try that as well. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. I don't want any hate about Zoella. I don't want Zoella's little fans to come and crucify my channel, because everyone's entitled to their opinion, and you know, it is true what I've said, but a lot of people are too scared to say it, but I'm not scared to say it. I just think things are overpriced for what they are. Check out my blog. We'll be doing a post at some point about the whole collection, and I'll do reviews as and when I try them. So the blog is always linked down below, so feel free to check it out at any time. And I'll be back again very soon with another video. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.